Teen Skills Advancement Initiative are trained girls from selected secondary schools in Ijebu North local government of Ogun State on valuable knowledge and skills to control their health and well-being. The initiator, Ms. Hassan Abiola, while addressing the convergence, revealed that the program is aimed at empowering the girl child with focus on menstrual hygiene and other vital health issues. The correspondent who was at the program has the details. The Teen Skills Advancement Initiative, established to constantly educate girls' child on hygienic lifestyle, brings together selected secondary school girls in Ijebu North local government Ogun State and serving core members. Giving the overview of the initiative, the project lead, Teen Skills, Ms. Hassan Abiola, noted that the program was aimed at enlightening young girls, particularly those of school age, on the importance of embracing menstrual hygiene during their monthly menstrual cycle.
Menstruation is not a taboo, and it's not something that you can't show yourself that you are doing it. So you should be proud of it. If you are menstruating, you should be proud of it that you are menstruating. You love the lady you are becoming.
Medical experts, while speaking on the theme, Flow with Dignity, encouraged participants to take as serious their hygienic lifestyle also as well during the menstrual cycle to avoid contaminated disease and infections. Representative of Soft Care Sanitary Pad, the sponsor of the program, Dr. Mrs. Yusuf Adurayemi, revealed further that the initiative is to empower and encourage young girls and teenagers to embrace their menstruation with pride.
A whole lot of practices has been said today that they should do, a whole lot of hygienic things too that will help their health and ensure that they live a normal and a healthy life.
It's all about the encouragement and the support given to them to encourage more of it for the younger ladies out there. That's why we came up with the support of giving them the sanitary pad, which is soft care, for the way I work.
Expressing their appreciation, the beneficiaries of the program also shared their valuable gains from the program.
I've learned to be a girl, to have confidence in myself during my menstrual days, and I've learned a lot of things actually, and I really gain a lot.
Today, as the topic says, Spirit Dignity, it teaches us, we girl students, how to make use of our pad and how to protect our body during our menstrual period. They teach us the health hygiene during menstrual period, like menstrual cramps, what we should do. Like they taught us about harassment. When people are harassing us, we should speak out, and other many lessons we learned today.
Activities at the event including demonstration of proper use and disposal of sanitary pad, introduction of renewable pad and pad boxes, as well as distribution of sanitary materials and certificates to participants. In Ijebu, Ifeoluwa Shaolu, NTA News.